What is up, you guys? It's me again, back at it again with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be installing the steering wheel that I pretty much made. As you guys can see, this steering wheel has like the typical fade that you see in all of them. This is all crusty right here. Now for this video, I'm not going to show you the process of me actually installing it, but I will show you the steps. So pretty much starting off, you're going to disconnect the battery and just wait a couple minutes just so this doesn't blow up in your face. Once you disconnect the battery, you're gonna undo these little things. It's like a little cover. You just kind of, there we go. And this is a, believe I'll put in the size of the bit, but it's a security nut. And then there's one on this side as well. With those two out, gonna come out this way. It's just gonna like release itself. And then there's a big nut that's holding the steering wheel to the actual steering mechanism. Once you remove that, you just mark the steering wheel just so you place it back. It also has a notch right there, so you could go ahead and place it on straight. After that, you just repeat the same process and you'll pretty much be okay. So let me get started with that, and I will see you guys once I'm tightening everything up. All right, so here it is installed. Does feel, I mean, it feels better, but just really for looks. Like right here, there's a little imperfection right here, but it's all good, honestly. So right now I kind of put it on crooked, but I think it's because of the spring right here. So once I push the button, it'll unlock and be straight, hopefully. If not, then I guess I'll have to redo this again. So let me figure that out and I'll show you guys right now. Oh, I just opened the door and my window went down. This is kind of sketchy. Oh, perfect. It did go straight, I think. What if I turn this on and it just like blows up in my face? Cold start. Oh, that did not sound good. That did not sound good when I started. That's like the first time it ever does that. Everything seems to work because I can still switch my maps. That's map 1, map 2, so I think we're all good. And then anytime you do unplug your battery, you have to reprogram the windows, because as you guys saw, I just opened the door and like the window went down. So to do that, you just push the buttons, or the button, you push the start button. Make sure they're all up, hold it down for both of them, and then you pull up, and then you hold, I think it's for 10 seconds or 3 seconds, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go, so I got it. I just repeated the same process. There we go, pull it up. We're all good. So yeah, let me warm this up, and then we'll go on a drive right now and see. Just I guess see if it drives straight if I put it back right. I'm about to get on the freeway right now. I think the steering wheel's straight, to be honest, but we're gonna find out right now. Like, it feels, I don't know, maybe now I'm just tripping on it, but we're about to find out right now. Hopefully it doesn't like fly off or anything. I torqued the steering wheel to 25 foot-pounds. That's what it says it's supposed to be at, so we'll see. It's straight. Rip. I don't know. You guys tell me. It drives fine. Look, hands free. Somewhat. But I don't know, I feel like this is kind of like shifted a little bit. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and based off of that, I'll either replace it, because I lined up the notch, so I don't know if like maybe this isn't straight. I don't know. I really don't know, but it feels fine. Like, oh no, I don't think it feels fine. Fuck! Man, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, and then based off of that, I'll either like try to fix it. If not, then it's fine. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Once again, I did, like, I don't know if I said this already, but I did sew this on myself. It's like a stitch thing. So it's stitched on there. Feels pretty good. Like, it's not moving anywhere. Aside from like it being straight, I don't think, like, I don't know. We'll see. And I just remembered that I left my garage open with all my tools right there. Blast home. Sheesh. Overall, this thing looks freaking sick. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comments below and I'll answer them. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I did come to the conclusion that it is pretty straight. So yeah, thanks for watching.